Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate GA4 data streams for website and app tracking, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate GA4 data streams for website and app tracking, begin by logging into your Google Analytics account. Once logged in, navigate to the admin section at the bottom left corner of the screen. In the admin panel, locate the property column and select the property that corresponds to your website or app. Next, click on the Data Streams option found under the Property settings. You will see a list of existing data streams or an option to create a new one. If you need to create a new data stream, click on the plus Add Stream button. Choose either web or app depending on your tracking requirements. For a web stream, enter the URL of your website and provide a name for the stream. If you are setting up an app stream, enter your app's details as prompted. After filling out the necessary fields, click on Create Stream. Once the stream is created, you'll be presented with a measurement ID for web or an app ID for mobile. For website tracking, copy the measurement ID to use it in your website's code. Next, access your website's code by either using a content management system or editing the HTML files directly. Locate the header section of your website's code. Paste the GA4 tracking code snippet just before the closing /head tag. If you're using a tag manager, create a new tag and select Google Analytics GA4 configuration. Enter your measurement ID and trigger the tag to fire on all pages. For mobile apps, integrate the GA4 SDK according to the platform guidelines for iOS or Android. Ensure your app correctly implements the event logging as per GA4 documentation. After implementation, return to your GA4 property and check the real-time report to verify data is being collected. If you see incoming data, congratulations, your GA4 data stream is successfully authenticated. If no data appears, revisit your setup to ensure all steps were accurately followed. Once everything is confirmed working, you will be set to track analytics effectively across your website and app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.